Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. So this video is entirely going to be in English because a lot of people have asked me to make a video that they can understand, because there are so many people uh, who don't know Hindi, or they might be from other nationality, so that they can view this video and have some knowledge related to supply chain scope in Canada. So this video is not new, but it is only in English. I have already made it in Hindi, the scope of supply chain in Canada. So those who would like to see it in English, this is the video. So if you'll ask me in short that if there is a scope of supply chain in Canada or not, so I would say yes. These days supply chain is in demand, so you can make a career out of it if you will join the supply chain soon. And let's talk about it in a more detailed manner. So I'll divide this video in four main parts. First one is that number of job openings that are expected to grow, and next one is salary, average pay scale. What is the average pay scale of a supply chain professional in Canada? Third one would be why is the scope of supply chain is increasing in Canada, and fourth one is the basic job roles that you can get in supply chain management. The number of job openings in Canada related to supply chain management are expected to be about 66,000 jobs per year. According to that, there will be more than 350,000 jobs in next 5 years, and who is gonna fill that position? It's you. It's you who is gonna fill that position in supply chain management. So get ready, do your supply chain management, and get a job. Let's talk about the second point, which is the average pay scale. So average pay scale of a supply chain professional in Canada is around $50,000, which doesn't mean that you cannot get more than this. This is just the average value. So if you will be working hard, or if you have the experience already, so you can get more salary also. And if you do masters in supply chain management, then the average salary is about $80,000 in Canadian dollars I'm talking about. And if you join as a manager, there will be a salary of about 80 plus thousand Canadian dollars. So the salary is good, which motivates us to join supply chain also sometimes. So which is not a bad thing. Third point that I'm going to talk about is that why the scope of supply chain management in Canada is growing at a fast pace. It is due to four reasons: globalization, product improvement, technology changes, and fourth is e-commerce and social media. So first, let us talk about globalization. Since you know that the globalization among different countries is on increase, which means there will be a huge opportunity for supply chain members to contribute, because there will be a lot of international trade going on. You will have the power to control the cost, to improve the profit margins of the company. So there will be a huge demand in supply chain management due to globalization. Second one is the product improvement. As you know, technology is improving. Third point is linked to this. As you know, technology is improving, so there are new products that are coming day by day in the market, and a lot of suppliers are sending it to international markets so that everybody can consume that, and lots of consumers are showing this behavior, which ultimately leads to the huge demand in product, which means supply chain management is on increase. So the third point is covered in that, and the fourth point is social media and e-commerce. So for example, you are buying something from Amazon. There are lots and lots of sellers on Amazon which are from different countries, sending the product to different other countries, which means a global trade is also linked there. So social media has a lot of power in doing that. For example, if you have a small page, if you are a small business running in the market, so you need product from sometimes from the international market, which means supply chain is on increase. So there are four reasons I have told, which means the supply chain scope is very high in Canada. So I hope you have already got the idea. So let's move on to the fourth point, which is what kind of jobs can you expect after doing supply chain management in Canada or any other country. As you know, the product needs to be transported to the warehouses, to the customers, to the manufacturers, to the suppliers, to the manufacturers from the raw material producers. So you can be a transportation manager, you can be a logistics analyst, you can be a logistics executive. Since the company buys the product in large amount, you can be a purchaser for that company, you can be a purchase executive, purchase analyst. So that's pretty much it. I hope I have covered everything related to supply chain scope in Canada, and I think you have liked this video, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and do share this video with someone who needs this in English, and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, keep watching my channel, and thank you.